Hey guys, we all must have seen this type of black and white mapping diagram during some point of time. Today we will see how to create this map using Photoshop in less than 10 minutes. Let's jump straight into the video. I will be doing this map for Georgetown, Chennai from India because I have the CAD files for this place as it was my urban design site. You will need all the data in the form of map to overlay in order to create this diagram. For this video, I will be using 3 maps. First, you will need a CAD file of your site context. This file is for the whole city of Chennai. So I will just zoom into the context that I want to capture and plot it into PDF. I am plotting it in A3 and in monochromatic style. Plot it into a PDF and save it for now. Then let's move to the topographical map or the contour map. I couldn't find the actual map of Chennai when I was recording this video, so I am going to use this one. But you guys can use the actual topography map of your site, which makes sense. Plot this also in A3 PDF in monochrome style. And I went to Snazzy Maps to create the base illustration. You can customize the map according to your need. I kept it in a dark grey palette. We might need to stitch the set of images if we want to cover a large area, or we can go for premium subscription in Snazzy Maps. Open the CAD map in a new Photoshop file. Create a white background and drag the base map from Snazzy Maps into that file. This is the important part. Reduce the opacity and adjust the scale until it matches perfectly with the CAD drawing below. Once you have aligned them, bring the opacity back to 100. Now using the crop tool, I change the canvas size to a well-fitting proportion. Then select the rectangle selection tool and start to select the areas that you want the map to be retained. Imagine as if the map is getting faded radially outwards from the side, but in squares and rectangles. Once you are happy with the selection, hit on the mask icon after selecting the layer. Then duplicate the CAD layer and bring it above the base map and apply the same mask to the CAD layer. Now hit Ctrl I on your keyboard to invert the CAD drawing. Now what we have done here is, we have made the CAD lines which are only above the base map to white color. Reduce the opacity to make it subtle. I felt the grey in the illustration to be pale and light, so I added a solid color adjustment layer above the base map and clipped it to that layer. I changed the blending mode to soft light and reduced the opacity to around 70%. I wanted to add a circle denoting the site. I am going with a white dashed circle. Keep it as a thin stroke. I am also adding 2 large concentric circles. I will explain the reason soon. These circles are black dashed circles. Now you can bring in the contour map. Since mine was in color, I used the levels command to remove the color from it and make it black and white. Since this is not the actual contour map of Chennai, I had to scale it down, flip it and move it a bit to recreate it to look like the original one. But for you guys, it's simple and straightforward. Bring it into Photoshop, align with the maps below, and that's it. Once that's done, using the brush tool, select the soft brush and start dapping at the edges to make the corners and edges of the map fade away. You can also reduce its opacity as it moves away from the site. I also brought in a grid overlay. Play with the blending options, select what you like. I wanted the grids to be in white color over the base map, which is in black, and in other portions the grid must be in black. So I applied the same mask to one grid layer, then duplicated the layer and inverted the mask. I even changed the blending option to multiply and reduced its opacity to around 20%. After this, I started adding text. I used serif font face as I felt that this might give a typewriter feel to the diagram. I also added the heading for the diagram, and I almost forgot, the large circles that we added is for marking directions. I also placed a placeholder for legends at the right bottom corner. You can also do some further detailing like adding ports and movement of goods, which may differ from design to design. This is the final result. Hope you all liked this video. Let me know in the comments if there is any topic that you would like me to cover. See you all in the next video.